Have a laundry room situated in a corner of your room that has no outdoor access. However, with the advancement of technology, you can now fulfill your dryer venting requirements while staying indoors with indoor dryer vents. Choosing one indoor dryer vent can be really difficult with so many options available in the market. There are many products available to choose from best indoor dryer vent, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best indoor dryer vent from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bettervent. The Bettervent dryer vent kit comes with a double filter system that can give you proper lint and dryer system. While testing it, we found that the product comes with a healthier indoor environment to use. We found it to be working for safe and compatible electric dryers to use. It happened to be evident and great for regular use. While reviewing the product, we found that the Bettervent dryer vent kit includes a save energy feature. Because of this technology, the product can save up a lot of amounts when it comes to saving energy. It can increase in the colder months and give you a proper response. The Bettervent dryer vent kit comes with a double filtration system, so it never requires water for working properly. However, it may produce high sound when you start the product. Number 2. Indoor dryer vent trap. If you need a specific indoor dryer vent for drying clothes, the indoor lint trap filter dryer vent can be a great option. While reviewing, the one thing that I found to be impressive about the product is the long-lasting technology. This includes a stainless steel material that keeps the dryer vent safe from any type of rust formation. While reviewing, we found that the indoor lint trap filter dryer vent has an easy clean system. It is easy to assemble and then take out the lint trap. So cleaning the dryer vent was never a problem for us. Simply rotating the knob on the front door allowed us to easily clean the filter. The indoor lint trap filter dryer vent comes with a well-operating and powerful airflow. However, we felt that the power cord is a bit short and it can be difficult to carry the product. Number 3. Raven kit. The one thing that we like the most about the Raven dryer vent kit is the high-quality design. Since it is made up of durable materials, we found the product to be a top buy for regular use. So we went on to try the indoor dryer vent for 3 months regularly, and it seemed to work well. While reviewing the product, we found that the Raven dryer vent kit comes with a complete setup. It has a 5/4 duct length that can be easy to connect the dryer to the chimney. Apart from this, it includes a single filter length to clean the air. So you can always expect a good performance. The Raven dryer vent kit comes with decent airflow, but at the same time, it always requires water to carry out the work. Regular water is always needed as it gets dried quickly. Number 4. Indoor lint trap filter. While reviewing the product, we found that the indoor lint trap filter dryer vent is specifically designed to give you proper support for electric dryers. Specifically, we found that the product comes with a safe venting design. However, the one thing that impressed us the most is the option of having a proper size of the airflow. Since the product is dynamic, it can provide airflow to a large area. While reviewing the product, we found that the indoor lint trap filter dryer vent includes a permanent filter. Since it is completely permanent, you may not have to replace them. The filter size is also decent, and it means that the air flowing out will be free from contaminants. The indoor lint trap filter dryer vent is a great product to choose from. Number 5. Dundas Jafant Didksu. When it comes to gas dryers, you need a great transition duct along with the indoor dryer vent. However, we found that the Dundas Jafant Didksu dryer vent comes with a 5-foot transition duct that can give proper support to remove the hot air. Moreover, it is 4 inches in diameter, so you can expect a steady airflow. While reviewing the product, we found that the Dundas Jafant Didksu dryer vent includes all approved safety measurements. This is an important part of all the components of the dryer that are safe for long use. Apart from this, we like the indoor installation, but the outdoor venting seemed to be difficult. The Dundas Jafant Didksu dryer vent comes with a complete setup That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.